In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Confluence in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Confluence or simply need to reinstall it, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is head over to the Atlassian download page. This is the official website where you can securely download Confluence. You'll want to ensure that you're on the correct page by verifying it's the Atlassian site so you can avoid any potential security issues. Once you're there, you'll see different options available. Various versions might be listed, so always go for the latest one to ensure you have the most recent features and security updates. Next, you'll need to choose the correct download for your operating system. Confluence supports both Windows and Linux, so make sure to select the version that's compatible with your own system. If you're uncertain about which one to pick, take a moment to check your system information. Windows users, it's likely you want the .exe file, whereas Linux users might need a .bin or .tar.gz file, depending on your Linux distribution's requirements. Picking the right version ensures a smooth installation process with minimal troubleshooting later on. Once you've downloaded the installer file, locate it in your Downloads folder or wherever your downloads are typically saved. Now, execute the downloaded installer file by double-clicking it. As the installation process begins, you'll be guided through several on-screen instructions. These usually include accepting terms and conditions, selecting installation locations, and configuring basic settings. Pay close attention to these instructions and read through them carefully. If prompted, consider opting for the default settings, especially if you're not particularly tech-savvy, as they'll provide a standard setup suitable for most users. After following these on-screen instructions, Confluence will be installed on your system. It's that simple. However, let the installer complete its process uninterrupted. Avoid running other heavy applications that could potentially slow down the installation. Once finished, you might be prompted to restart your computer. If so, go ahead and do it to ensure everything functions correctly. And there you have it. Confluence should now be successfully downloaded and installed on your machine, ready for you to start organizing and collaborating on your projects. If you encounter any hiccups along the way, don't hesitate to consult the Atlassian support resources or community forums. They are invaluable resources for troubleshooting and getting the most out of your Confluence experience. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating.